Finally friends, the phone which I am looking into, the Realme X7 Pro, has been finally launched in China, and right now in this video I'll be showing you all the confirmed specifications. And this phone got launched in China and all the specifications are really confirmed, so we can expect the same kind of model to be launching in India as soon as possible. Maybe there might be changing in terms of the processor, maybe, but this specification should be the same as going to be launched in India as well, same kind of model. So in this video I'll be talking you the all the kind of specifications and all this kind of pricing listed below as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay in the loop for this upcoming mobile phone on the Realme X7 Pro. As soon as the phone gets launched, I'll try to manage to buy this mobile phone as soon as possible so that I can compare side by side with the Realme X2 Pro device, which I am using for a very long time, and I'm seriously very curious to compare these two phones in the future as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's get back to this Realme X7 Pro. So here I have shortlisted all the main specifications for the Realme X7 Pro. So first I did mention about the display. The display is of 6.5 inches, as you can see here friends clearly, which is the AMOLED panel. So that's a bonus point here. So AMOLED panel and 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, so which is a very good thing for the Realme X7 Pro device, because when you compare with the X2 Pro, which has 90 Hz refresh rate and touch sampling, I'm not sure, maybe close to 180 I guess. So these are display properties of the Realme X7 Pro device. So next let's move to the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor as well. So on this kind of Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, even I did a separate video explaining AnTuTu benchmark score in terms of the Dimensity 1000 Plus. So where the Dimensity 1000 Plus scored the AnTuTu score about close to 1.5 lakh to 1.3 lakhs. So this is the AnTuTu benchmark score, which is a kind of close to Snapdragon 865. It's a close but not equal. So that is what you need to remember. It's a very close, not equal. There is a huge difference between both the processors. So I'll be discussing about this one in another video later on. So we got confirmed the displays, processor. So next thing is the battery. So nowadays friends, a lot of mobile phones, even in the mid-range and lower end mobile phones as well, they are getting launched with a 5000 mAh of battery. I'm not sure why they did not increase this battery to the 5000, but they still got slightly improved. So 4500 mAh of battery capacity and 65 watt fast charging, which we already know that 65 watts fast charging will be next thing for the Realme phones. So 5000 or 4500 mAh of capacity. There is only 500 mAh of battery capacity increased from the previous version. So now the battery also confirmed. Next is that camera. So camera is a combination 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. So there is nothing much difference. So there is no huge 10x telescope lens or hybrid zoom or nothing. They did not talk anything in the event. So there is only discussed about 64 8 plus 2 plus 2. That's it. And 32 megapixel is a front facing camera. So if you're wondering how does the phone look in the front side, it will look exactly like the Realme 6i or Realme 6. So which will be similar to this kind of mobile phone interface, which will be having the punch hole on the left side of the phone. So not the notch phone, it will be having the punch hole on the left side of the phone. So till now we have discussed about the display, processor, battery and the camera. So what's next thing? Next thing is the price, which we gonna talk right now. So right now these are the pricing listed in the Chinese website, which is mentioned in the US dollars. So now we need to convert these US dollars into Indian rupees. 320 US dollars to Indian rupees.
20 United States dollars equals 23,367 Indian rupees and 84 paise.
So as you can see friends, 23,000 for the base model. So if you convert, so round figure I'll try to write into 24k, so which will be for the 6GB and 128GB base variant, 24,000. And next is a 350 US dollars to Indian rupees. So let me try to write here. As you can see 25, so it's close to 26k. So let's write right now the variant is of 8GB variant and 128GB model. And next is a 470. So 470 is kind of huge, so which is close to 34k thousand. So 34 means you will be getting 256 GB inbuilt storage. So these are the pricing range gonna be when you convert directly from the Chinese variant to the Indian variant. But usually when we do this kind of calculations, you can add additional 3000 to 4000 for this kind of price range. So this is what you can expect the prices of the phone gonna release in India. So if you ask me, for the price 24,000, if you increase maybe 4,000 or 5,000, overall let's consider for 30,000. For 30,000, 6GB, 128GB and these specifications, do you think is it worth? So that is for another video which I'll be making on that one as well. So even I did compare the Realme X2 Pro and the Realme X7 Pro as well in another video. If you are interested, you can check that video for more details as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, iQOO. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.